Guys, the hype of the town 1-inch Leica camera from Xiaomi is here in Malaysia. Let's welcome the all-new Xiaomi 13 Ultra. And the one that I got here is the all-new olive green color. I love the color though, it's really nice. But with the price of 5,199 ringgit, is it worth the hype here? Let's check it out. So basically, this is what you get out of the box. The phone itself, a Xiaomi 90W turbocharging adapter, and a USB-C cable, as well as this casing here. Outlook-wise, personally, I like it very much because if I'm holding it like this, it's just like I'm holding a camera on my hand. And that's the whole design element that they gave into this Xiaomi 13 Ultra. And check this line here. There's a hump on the camera housing, which is depicting a camera. What's interesting here is that this synthetic leather here has an antibacterial coating on it, so you won't have to worry about too much bad stains will stuck on it through times. It also has IP68 water and dust resistance ratings. Now on the front, you got a 6.73-inch 3D curved display with WQHD Plus resolution, Pro HDR Dolby Vision display, and by far Xiaomi's brightest screen, which goes up to 2600 nits of peak brightness. So bringing this phone out under the sun is not a problem, especially if you're using the cameras under a hot sun. Well, you can look at the camera, you can look at the screen clearly and nicely. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 12GB plus 512GB of storage. That's the only setup you will have in Malaysia. Look, liquid cooling technology, which can cool the processor down. 5000 mAh battery with 90W turbocharging. So the battery consumption, it was just okay to me because with a single charge you can last through a day only. But it's fair enough to me because it has so much powerhouse in it and the battery consumption is pretty high. So now let's head to the other place to check out the camera, which is the 1-inch camera here. So let's go. Okay guys, so before I continue into testing out the camera, just to let you guys know, this phone comes with a full 50MP 1-inch main camera, 50MP ultra-wide lens, 50MP tele lens, and also a 50MP super tele lens. And on the front, it has a 32MP selfie. Alright guys, so as you can see, now I'm outside here and I'm going into this cafe to try out the Xiaomi 13 Ultra's camera. This is the camera layout once you go into camera mode, and let's go. So as you can see here, there's the Leica Authentic button here for you to choose on the top right corner, and if you press, you can get to the Leica Vibrant and you can get to the Leica Authentic. For me personally, I like the Leica Authentic color more. So once you choose it, and then just give it a nice angle and click. There you go, you got the pictures. And now we are back with the POV shot, and if you want to get a natural bouquet here, just click on 2 times, and because of the 1-inch camera sensor, it's super nice and natural as you can see here. There's also 2 tele lens. One is the normal tele lens that can get you up to 3.2 times, where the super tele lens here can get you up to 5 times without any crop. So there you go guys, this is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra, and let me know what you think about the camera qualities. And to me personally, it's above the premium price range, but if you are those who love the photography or you love the Leica color settings, you definitely love this phone. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below, and I'm Joshua C. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!